The Toyota Corolla EX 2005 to 2012 Android car stereo offers seamless compatibility with various models of this vehicle, ensuring a perfect fit and easy installation. Featuring an 8-core processor and 4 gigabytes of RAM, this stereo delivers a smooth and fast user experience with the ability to multitask efficiently. The inclusion of wireless CarPlay and Android Auto allows for effortless integration with your smartphone, providing access to voice assistants and essential functions while driving. With built-in GPS navigation and Wi-Fi capabilities, you can download maps and apps, ensuring you stay connected and entertained on the go. This stereo comes with advanced audio features like 32 EQ DSP and Bluetooth 5.0, enhancing your listening experience with crystal clear sound. Driver safety is prioritized with features such as steering wheel control and a wide-angle backup camera, making navigation and reversing more secure.